Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make cheese grits. Oh man, it's my favorite. I'm so glad to be back. I have a lot going on, a lot of different projects. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and please make sure you hit the thumbs up. It really helps me a lot. Please leave a comment down below, and also know you can find the recipe in the description field. We're going to bring our water to a boil. Okay guys, so the water's come to a boil. I'm going to add my grits to this, and I'm going to add some kosher salt. And the reason why I use kosher salt is because it seasons the food correctly, and the regular table salt is too salty. You use table salt to finish in the end as your food is on the plate. So I'm going to mix the grits and around this water. I'm going to turn the temperature down to about medium high. We're working on high heat here now. And guys, I want to also mention that don't forget to follow me on Facebook, because I have a giveaway coming on my Facebook, and it's going to be sponsored. It's going to be actually sponsored through the actual company. And it's on the silverware set. If you want to find out more about what that silverware set looks like, but you can check out the spaghetti recipe and you'll see the unboxing of it. So I'm going to let this cook covered for about 15 to 20 minutes because I'm using old-fashioned grits. But I'm going to take the lid off and I'm going to stir it around about every 5 minutes just to keep anything from burning and stick it to the bottom of it. So my grits have cooked for about 15 minutes. And I've been stirring it, every 5 minutes. And I've been keeping the heat on medium low, just adjusting it. And my grits are tender. So I'm going to turn the heat completely off. I'm going to throw in some salted butter. And I'm going to add some milk. I'm using lactose-free milk. So that's some milk. And that's whole milk. You can use 2% milk, skim milk, whatever you desire. You can also use heavy cream or half and half. You don't have to add it at all. This is some extra sharp cheddar cheese that I shredded. I'm going to just stir all that in together. Oh my God, it smells good. And of course, you got to have some black pepper in this. And finally, you guys are going to turn your heads to the side when you see this, but you'll be amazed. I'm going to add some liquid smoke. I'm going to add just like a quarter teaspoon of that liquid smoke. So I use 4 cups of water, a cup of whole grits, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of milk, as well as 3.5 tablespoons of butter, and kosher salt, some black pepper to taste. But that liquid smoke will give that a smoky cheddar flavor. If you ever had smoky cheddar cheese, then it's going to taste just like it was made with that cheddar cheese. Here is our finished grits. I garnished it with some parsley on top and put a little bit more butter on there. And it's so cheesy. Look at how cheesy that is. It's creamy. I just use the tines of the fork here and you see it's very creamy. Please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you guys are interested in learning how to knit or crochet, please check the description box because I just started my knitting channel. And I already have some tutorials up there. So let's give this grits a taste. Guys, it's so good. It's creamy, cheesy, has that nice smoky flavor from the liquid smoke. And I just served this along with some smoked sausage. The smoked sausage and a roll. So there you have it, guys, how to make delicious, cheesy, creamy grits. Please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you'll be notified of my uploads. And I just want to say thank you to all of you for supporting me. And please remember to live and be well. And remember to pass around positive energy, do good things for good people, so that way we can keep paying it forward, because we have got to come together. Thank you so much for watching, supporting.
Thank you.